Good morning, everybody. Here we are going to discuss the topic about the multiplexer. The DB-based videos for ThinkPad. Raghunath and Jervin is going to deliver the ThinkPad activity.
Good morning, everyone. I am here to explain a multiplexer. So, what about you know multiplexer? A multiplexer is a multiple inputs. A multiplexer have two types of inputs, and data input and selected input. Let's see a block diagram. The data inputs have in ICs many signals will be converted into a data input. So the data inputs is D1, D2 and D3. The multiplexer have three types. One is 4:1 and 8:1 and 16:1. So a data is D, we know, and there are 4:1 multiplexer block diagram. So it has 4 data type input and 2 selected input. So a data type input is convert your signal into a data type, and a selected input is give your output which type of data you have want. So the selected input is mostly zeros and ones. So let's see here truth table. The truth table started from S0 and S1. In 0, 0, their output is D1, and in 0, 1, their output is D1, and it's 1, 0, their output is D2. And it's 1, 1 and your output is 3. Let's see a large diagram. If in demultiplexers, there are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate will be used to convert your signals into your output. Let's see, the AND gates are used for 3 input AND gate and 1 and 2 NOT gate used. They have zeros and ones. Ones will convert it to 0 for NOT gate, and one OR gate is used add the all inputs into output. So like the users will about
Everyone, I am here to tell the inputs of multiplexer. The multiplexer is a device which has more inputs and select the input and give it as the output in single line. Based on this, we have 4 uses, basic 4 uses of multiplexer: data rounding, digital circuit, microprocessor, and data selection. The data rounding is which while using the mobile phones, we have more inputs. We select the one input and give it as an output signal. This is known as data rounding. And next, digital circuit. Digital circuit is used to convert an analog signal efficiently into a digital signal, which we use in the multiplexers. And next, microprocessor. The microprocessor, which is used to handling the devices which have more inputs. Next, selecting signal. The selection signal is that we can select a signal from multiple signals which get efficient output from the multiplexers. The 4:1 ratio multiplexer has 2 selection input, S0 and S1. Based on this, we have 4 combination of S1 and S0 and S1. The 4 combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1. If we select the 0, 1, we get the output as D0. And if select 1, 0, 1, then we get the output as D1. We select 1, 0, we can get the input as D2, and select 1, 1, we can get the input as D3. This is the main use of multiplexer. Multiplexer is using in our day-to-day life for converting a multiple signal and selecting a signal and converting it efficiently into an output.
I see a real life example in your mobile phone. We have mobile phone, we call it one. If you have a signal, let's say sound. So you can read the signal and convert it to a digital. In your mobile phone, it will read your signal into convert it into digital, and it will alternate and you in your analog input will convert it into digital by the multiplexer, and this will give it will convert it into your analog signal by your demultiplexer and give your another color of phase. It's a real life example of demultiplexer.
And another one example in biomedical engineering is that signal processing. The multiplexers are used in signal processing, by which helps in selecting and processing the multiple data of a signals into a single signals. Example: ECG, EMG, and EEG.
Another is medical imaging. A multiplexer is used to image signals in like CT scan and X-rays, like other components in medical